Alright guys, there's something that I want you to know about trend lines. Let me go and check. Yeah, I think it's this one. Yeah, let's start by analyzing this one. Okay, we already have a resistance. Now we have a support. Okay, from how we trade here, we trade with support and resistance, guys. So now what is it that we're going to do now? We look for minor support and resistance. Okay, here's our minor resistance, here's our minor support. This is what we currently have. Remember guys, I'm analyzing on daily now. What I'm going to do now, I'll go to smaller time frame of which is going to be H4. Let's see what we have here. Look at this guys, we have something like this, something like this. Now what the price is doing now, it will go back. We have something like this. There's a reason for the price to turn here. The reason is on your left. The reason is on your left. Look at this and look at this. That's the reason why the market turned. Alright, fine. Let me remove everything that I just did. Oops. Yeah. Okay. Now let's go on H4. What is that I see? I see higher lows, higher lows. That one tells me that the price is going up like this. Okay, now to confirm that we do have a trend line, let's go to 1 hour. Okay, here's our trend line. Okay, here is it. Let me enlarge it. Let's take it back to the beginning and adjust. Okay, yeah, that's good. Let me put it a bit down. Yes. So now what is it that you have to do? Remember, let me zoom in. Remember, we have the first touch. Remember guys, I always tell you that to identify a trend line you need to have few confirmations. Okay, we have 2 confirmations, actually 3. That was the 4th time. We have 3. First time, second time. Automatically when you see this as a trader, you know that next time when the price gets here, it will bounce. It did the same thing that I just said. Now it bounced, it went all the way up. Okay, now where the current price is, it is here. Okay, let's say for instance the price was just like this. How do you know where the price will turn since we have a trend line here? Okay, automatically we know that the price will turn here. How? Okay, let's start by doing this. I want you to know that guys, when you trade, you don't have to know that okay, this is a trend line, I have to just trade a trend line. Look at this. Peter had a network problem. I missed this one. I was looking at it with an eagle eye. So look at this. We have a trend line here. We have this supply and demand. So now we have 2 confluence that confirms that the price will turn automatically when it gets there. Remember there are people who are trading supply and demand. There are people who are trading support and resistance. There are people who are trading using trend lines. So how many people are willing to take the price up here as soon as the price gets here? The people who are trading using trend lines, they know that automatically when the price gets here, it will go up. They will buy when the price gets here. The people who are trading supply and demand, the minute the price gets here, they will buy as they did here. I am sure you guys can see that. As soon as the price returned, it turned. Look at this, look at this. So now the price is currently here. I'm expecting to see something like this. Something like this, and it turns somewhere, then it go against it go up. You see, those are my anticipation, but it might not happen the way I anticipated it. You see, let's go to H4. I want to show you something and zoom out. Not even H4, let's go to higher time frame. Look at this. As soon as the price break this one here, it will come here. Automatically now it is building up. It is doing a build up to break above and go higher. It is possible that the price can just break. It is possible that the price can touch here and turn like this. Anything is possible. As a trader, what is it that you have to do? You have to sit down and look at the chart and wait for the price to get to the support, to the resistance above, or else you wait for the price to get back to the trend line. One of the two. As soon as you get the price where it is right now and decide to buy, if I may ask you, if you, let's say for instance you bought it, I ask you, why did you buy here? You're telling me that you know that the price is going up. Okay, fine. As you know that the price is going up, where are you going to put your stop loss here? Let's go to lower time frame. Where are you going to put your stop loss? Let's say for instance you bought it here knowing very well that the price is going up. Where are you putting your stop loss? Then if the price decide to do something like this, hence you can see right now it decided to turn like this. Who knows, it might come back here. Who knows, it might go back to the trend line. The reason why people are keeping on losing and losing and losing, they can identify the direction of the trend, but the problem about them doing wrong things because of they don't want to listen when you tell people not to trade when there's nothing. For instance, right now, for me as a trader, I won't do anything. What I'll do, I'll wait for the price to get here. As soon as the price gets here, you see, there's nothing that I'll do here. Automatically I know that the price is going up, and when it gets here it will turn, but I'm not going to do anything. I will just wait for the price to touch here, then I sell. If I get the selling reason here, I sell. Only my student knows why we're going to sell here and what confirms a sell for us. As soon as the price gets here, I'll buy. Hence I missed this one here. I would have traded it here. Let me show you something. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I would have traded here. I would have traded this one, but hence I said I missed this one here, and by the time it was here, still I was not around. I was not around. I could have bought it here on the yeah, I would have bought it on the no, where am I? Let me go back and check. I have to get it here. Wait. Let me do something like this. Ease. Okay, let me go back to 5 minutes. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, I would have traded this one as well. As you can see, third time, what happened? The price went all the way up. I would have traded this one, but I decided not to take it because of it is just in the middle. That is why I did not take it. So now what I'm trying to tell you guys, don't trade when there's nothing to trade. What you have to do is to wait for the market to give you something, something real, something that will make you proud to take it, something that will make you proud to take it. So you don't have to take anything in the market.